Hey students, want to get better at answering multiple choice questions? Use the SMART technique. Let's break it down. S for scan. Scan the question carefully. Look at what it's really asking. M for mark. Mark, underline, or write the keywords in the question on paper to stay focused. A for analyze. Analyze the choices. Cross out the ones that don't make sense. R for reread. Reread the question with your chosen answer. Check if it fits logically. T for time management. Manage your time wisely. If you are unsure, move on and come back later. Let's try it. What is the process by which organisms better adapted to their environment survive and reproduce? A. Mutation, B. Photosynthesis, C. Natural selection, or D. Respiration. Now, let us apply SMART. S for scan. It asks about process linked to survival and reproduce. M for mark. We underline better adapted, survive, and reproduce. A for analyze. Photosynthesis and respiration are processes, but not about survival of the fittest. R for reread. Natural selection fits perfectly. It's the process where better traits help survival. T for time. We found the answer quickly and confidently. It's C, natural selection. And that's how you use the SMART technique. Think smart, answer smart, and you're gonna crush those tests, sending you good genes and even better grades. Good luck!